Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. Today we show you how to set a user's preferred language on the platform. To get started, head to the Users page from Admin Home. Select the user you want to update language preferences for. Select the language field. A drop-down list of your installed languages opens. If you don't see anything here, it's because you haven't installed any languages yet. You can install a wide variety of languages and regional dialects on the Settings page, accessible from Admin Home. When you're happy with the chosen language, select Save. Users can change their own preferences in the user settings, accessible from anywhere on the platform. To make sure everything is working as expected, the user can also set their browser to their preferred language. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy, or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.